Hey, what is going on YouTube? Hacker7 here. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change the name of your AI. Now, you could simply do this by entering the chat and selecting my AI. So you could select customize and avatar. Now, by doing this, it will allow you to change the gender of your avatar, but that is not what we want. In order to customize the name of your AI, you need to select the three dots in the top right corner. Now down here, as you can see, we have quite a few options. What you need to look for is manage friendship and edit name. So you could change the AI name to anything. Let's say Sally and click on save. So let's click on done. So if we should go back, as you can see, our AI is now called Sally. And from the chat feed, this will just look like a normal name. So this is a quick video as to how to change your AI name on Snapchat. So thank you for watching. Hope this video was informative. Hacker7 out.